Hey friends, so 2026 is coming. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful and incredibly professional prompt that you can use in Google Gemini to generate New Year card. So this is awesome. So without wasting more time now, let's move to my screen, gemini.google.com. We can open and here we can type the prompt. Before prompt you can select like create images nano banana, and you can describe your image here like design a warm and cozy new year greeting card. See, it's very simple. Set on a winter night and featuring gently falling snow, for example, glowing street lights and softly blurred city lights in the background. And then in the foreground, add handwritten style lettering that says Happy New Year, along with a smaller line reading like may this year bring warmth, joy, and beautiful moments. And apply warm colored tones, subtle shadows, and a peaceful festive mood. Use a 2:3 aspect ratio. So you can, if you want to modify, you can modify the prompt according to your requirements, like design a warm and cozy new year. So warm and cozy. If you want another style, you can mention here winter night. If you want like summer night featuring gently falling snow, if you want to change, you can change. But this prompt is perfect according to my experience. And now just press enter. So Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro will design a professional new year card that will be totally unique for you, because people are taking cards, new year cards from here and there, downloading from different sites. But Google Gemini will generate totally unique card for you, and magic has been done. You can see Happy New Year, and may this year bring warmth, joy, and beautiful moments. The description you can also see here. It looks beautiful. You can see a warm and cozy new year greeting card, and it's also set on a winter night, and it's also featuring like gently falling snow. You can see here glowing street lights, you can also see, and softly blurred city lights in the background. You can also see in the background blurred city lights, and in the foreground you can see the letter that we added, Happy New Year, and then a smaller line reading May this year. This is also there, and warm color tones, subtle shadows, and a peaceful festive mood. And you can see the dimension also. So everything is done perfectly and beautifully. So share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.